We are going to explain some basic concept of this CVT transmission. In this video we will show every transmission stage along with both the positive view and side view of the transmission system. While driving pulley set includes the ramp plate, variator, boss, fan and roller weights. Driven pulley set includes driven face, torque spring, clutch and clutch bell. Red circle shows the status of each part of the vehicle. Blue circle shows CVT full acceleration curve, where X-axis represents the speed of vehicle. Y-axis represents the speed of the engine. The two dashed lines show the low ratio and high ratio, respectively. We will see 5 stages in the curve, including idle, clutch engage, takeoff, transmission shifting, and overload. While there are different kinds of CVT vehicles, such as scooters, ATVs and UTVs, it's no problem to apply this concept to most of them. The first stage, idle. Once a vehicle is started, the engine is running at its lowest possible RPM. The clutch is not engaged, and the vehicle is not in motion. It's just like when you stop at the traffic light. The second stage, clutch engaging. Engine reverend is increasing. The clutch shoes overcome the strength of clutch springs to move outward and touch the clutch bell. It's not fully engaged, so the vehicle is still not in motion. The third stage is taking off. The vehicle starts moving and the engine RPM keeps increasing. Though the centrifugal force on the roller weights equals to the preload strength of the torque spring, neither the driven face nor the belt is moving yet. Low ratio state starts from the first to the third stages, where the second and the third stage covers pretty short period. The fourth stage is transmission shifting. The thrust strength of the roller weights finally overcomes the preload strength of the torque spring. The movable driving pulley starts to move, and the belt goes from the lowest to highest position. In this shifting period, the engine rev RPM remains almost the same, which forms almost a horizontal line in the chart. It's the most important stage during all transmission process. The heavier roller weights you use, the lower engine rev RPM it is. To get the best performance of the CVT, it's crucial to make the transmission happen at the RPM when the highest engine power peak occurs. The fifth stage is overload driving. At this stage, the transmission is no more shifting and stays at high ratio. When the engine runs faster, the vehicle speed can increase. By the way, the lighter roller weights you use, the shorter this fifth stage lasts.